Hello everybody, Grandma Bev here with Life with Grandma Bev, and today I'm going to open my TestTube box. Now I've sliced it, but I don't know what's in it yet, but let's get started. They always have loose things, and then they've got a big test tube with goodies in it. So let's start with the loose things. Let's see, celebrating 15 years. $15 million discovery. Okay. No, I've got to scan something to find out what's inside the tube, so I'll have to look them up when I edit it. So first off, we have, what in the world is this? Dose, D-O-S-E, Dose and Company, Pure Collagen Unflavored Collagen Peptides. No artificial ingredients. 10 grams collagen per serving in hair, skin, and natural support. Must be something you put inside you because it's got a calorie breakdown. Made in the USA. How to use. It's free from gluten, preservatives, artificial colors and sweeteners, GMO. How to use. Enjoy 2 teaspoons, 11 grams, of powder in 7 fluid ounces of water, milk, coffee, or add to your own smoothie. Mix well. I don't know. I'll have to, see, it's sealed up. Looking for the scoop? You won't find one here. We're 100% plastic free and proud, okay? Be that way. I'm going to have to look this up and read what collagen's about to drink or to eat or drink or whatever before I put it in this old bod. Then we have, oh, good, I need some. Nature in America, Nature plus America plus You, David's Premium Natural Toothpaste. They're whitening, anti-plaque, fresh breath, fluoride-free goods. I don't use toothpaste with fluoride. Sulfate-free, herbal citrus peppermint. Pretty good size. Hope it works. Oh, it's even got one of those little turnkey things. Well, I hope it works. I'm going to try it because I got some Tom's, and it burned my tongue too much, but I'm so cheap, I'm using it anyway because I spent money on it. So I'm going to use this. So that's 2 that I might use. Then we get to the tube, the test tube. Let's line it up so it looks cute. Test tube. Let's see, which is the... First item is a Glow Skin Beauty Anti-Stress CBD Drops. 1,000 milligrams of CBD and adaptogen calming serum. Should I try it right now? Let's see. It says calm, soothe, and adapt with 1,000 milligrams full spectrum CBD and a therapeutic adaptogen complex. Consciously formulated free of fragrance, dyes, talc, parabens, phthalates, sulfates. The serum benefits even the most sensitive of skin. Looks like you put it on your face. Apply drops directly after cleansing and toning twice daily. Well, I'm going to try it on my arm. We'll see by the end of this if Here's the bottle. Looks like it's sealed with plastic. See, is there a little spot that's perforated? I don't know, I can't tell. Oh, let's see if I can just turn it to get it going. Okay. 2 drops. 1, 2. Oh, I feel it. Ooh, doesn't smell good. Smells kind of like weed killer. I'm serious. It smells like weed killer. Let's see, how do I get this plastic off? Here it is. Here's the perforation. You know, keep it. Someday I can try it on my face. I'm a recycler. Okay, next. Oh, there was something in the lid. One of those exfoliating dual texture scrubber for individuals who think and sing in the shower. Well, you know, I've got, this is for mild, perfect for travel for all skin types. I'm going to put this in the giveaway because I like those spongel things, you know. Next we have, hello. No, I don't sound like Adele. It's a naturally friendly antibacterial hand sanitizer spray with natural fragrance, lavender and eucalyptus. Okay, well, I'm going to keep this because I keep all these, and it's a good one for traveling. I like to carry them in my purse, and when I get like a dollar store anywhere, I spray the basket because they don't seem to clean them anymore. So that I'm going to keep. So that so far we're 3 out of 4. Then we have it's Floss Lip Advocate. It's almost the same color as the box. Can you see it? Can you see it? What's it say? Even with this, it's hard to see. Sheer Lip Tint. Let's see. Now, I just got rid of all of my giveaway stuff. In fact, they're still sitting on the porch. Post office was supposed to pick it up. I have 3 boxfuls out there of giveaway stuff. Oh, if I end up giving this away, folks, you know, if a box is ripped, it's only because I couldn't get it open. Oh, for God's sake. Okay, well, it's a pretty container. Almost looks like it could be a tampon. I don't think I'm going to use it because I've got so many lip things right now. I'm going to put it back in the giveaway. But you know I didn't use it. And we got one more. Something Beauty. I can't tell what the brand is. Beauty, the Super Hydrator. To use, it all says on it. To use, apply 1 to 2 pumps morning and night atop clean, dry skin. Massage and gently onto face and neck. And otherwise, see, that's the instructions. All this are ingredients. And look how little they had to make it to fit it on the box. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway. I'm going to remove the outside seal. So that's it. Nice box. This is shiny. When I first subscribed to this, I bought it because I wanted the boxes. I'm so goofy. Okay, so what you think? Huh? Comments below, share, like, subscribe. And I hope you're all having a good day. I love you all. Bye.